Hi folks, Heather McClaren here with you for the 5 at 5. On this week's topic, what is the one intangible quality that makes buyers go nuts for a house in a seller's market? This induces multiple offers, and it seems to never fail to get a strong response from the public in terms of making your house a hit when it's time to be a seller. We're going to cover that and more next. So this home you're looking at got an extraordinarily strong response from buyers in a seller's market that we're having. We got 32 offers in just a couple days. Yet, as you can see, this home is not the most, updated, modernized home, even as described by the sellers. Yet, there's some components, some intangible quality that this home has that I find a lot of homes have that get really strong responses from buyers. What is it?
I can sum it up in 3 words, folks. Love your home. And show that and transfer that home in the same love and care. Whether it's an $8 million home or an $80,000 home or somewhere in between. Whether you picked up mesquite pods by hand or hand put in grass for the grandkids, or you want to leave firewood out for the next buyer, or leave them the ladder you didn't get to install into the attic, or whether you took time to put up that rack so it's easier to access your tools, or you got that secondhand HVAC at a flea market to put in the windows so you could work in the garage, or you enclose the pipes, or you spend every weekend out in the backyard touching up the paint on the fascia, or doing whatever you can, whether it's hiring contractors or doing the work yourself, or remodeling and updating. Whatever you can do to infuse love and gratitude and care into the home you have, no matter how big or small, no matter how updated or not, buyers will line up around the block. They see the detail, the records, the care, the charm, and they feel the love. Whether or not they know it, they feel it. And that's what buyers always comment on. They run from the homes that don't feel very good. They can sense when something's like amiss in a house and they just don't like the vibe. I hear that all the time. But they love homes that have been loved. And they'll love yours if you love it and care for it too.